the decking part of our business, we suggest 6 months. 6 months allows it to dry out. If you decide to stain it beforehand, it can leach out and then actually push that stain off, and then cause flaking of the stain that you put on there. So we think it should be 6 months, so that it fully gets dried outside to where then you can put it on there and you're not going to have any effect of the actual wood pushing some of its moisture out of the stain that you put over it. You do not need to sand it all down, I wouldn't say. I suppose it could help if you did it, but it's not necessary before you stain it. It'll still soak it up. I mean, we say the same thing whether you're building it in spring or fall, is that you wait, you install your deck, or you build your house and you build a wood deck on the outside of it. I'd say you still wait 6 months, whenever that is, just to let it go through enough sun cycles of environmentally pushing the whatever moisture's inside of it out, and then work to apply your stain. You don't want to put your stain on when it's like 0 degrees out or when it's raining. Go on a full sun day where there's not a weather factor to it. I mean, it can rain on it after you put it on. It's not ideal, but it can rain on it. Should put it on there to where it's able to dry a little bit. You don't put it on right before a big rainstorm, but these are all things that I would believe are pretty common knowledge, but if it happens, it's not the end of the world to get rained on after you put the stain on, but just always try to avoid it.